preliminaries, day 1 na nga bukas, October 3, starting at 3 p.m. sa The Perfect Venue located sa Swiss Villain Hotel. Sa mga gustong manood, 50 reals po yung entrance.
Sinag Battle of the Bands Oktoberfest 2025 is playing live here at The Perfect Venue at Swiss Villain Hotel here in Alsad, and of course is organized by Sinag Digital Media, DT Productions, and Yamar Music Studios. With special thanks to our official media partner, Marhaba Qatar. Become one of Doha's biggest stars, Kenjo on drums, Ems on bass, Kajan on guitars, and Miko on vocals, The Asterisk.
Congratulations, Asterisk Band! Ang galing nyo talaga! Kita-kits na lang ulit tayo mga ka-Dora Bells bukas!